Welcome. In front of me I have ASUS ZenFone 8 Flip, and today I will show you how you can adjust notification bar shortcuts. You have to open your notification bar, then tap right here. And if you want to change position of icons or add additional icons, just make simply move. Click, hold, and then drag it. Just like that. And the same if you want to change position of icons. As you can see, it's very simple. After that, you can just go back. Everything was saved automatically. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our channel.